Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are doing good. And I know that I might be a new teacher for you because you may not have seen me earlier also. So this year, I'll be taking Hindi for you, and my name is Julie. So today, before starting, I would like to tell you that till now we have been learning Malayalam and English, right? So now, today onwards, we'll start learning a new language, that's Hindi. And it's very interesting subject, and I hope you all will love to learn it. And it is important for us to learn it. And it's very easy. It's very simple. Only thing you need to do is, children, you have to concentrate and learn the things which I am teaching you. Okay? So let's start. This year, you have a Hindi reader. This is your Hindi reader. And we will start with the chapter 1. That is, it's about, we will practice about the lines in Hindi. Okay? So let us all take the first page. That's page number 5, and let's start the practice of lines. Now, you can see on the screen here, you can see here, instead of looking into your reader, children, you can see on the screen. Let's learn and do practice of these lines, which is important in Hindi. Okay? So, let's see. The first is practice of lines. The first one is Khadi Rekha. In Hindi, it's Khadi Rekha. Vertical line. So, in Hindi, we call vertical lines as Khadi Rekha. So, how's that? How it looks, the Khadi Rekha? It's like this. Straight line. Khadi Rekha. Okay? Next, Padi Rekha, which is horizontal line. You can see the line here. It's straight, just like that. Horizontal. See? You have to draw. So, this is Padi Rekha. This is Khadi Rekha. Always remember, Khadi means standing. Padi means it's just sleeping. Straight. Okay? Now, together, let's see Padi or Khadi Rekha. That is horizontal and vertical lines. How does it looks? Doesn't it looks like T here? Can you see here? See, this is Padi Rekha, as I've told you. Horizontal line, and you draw vertical line. How it looks like? Both together, it looks like T. Right? So, I hope you understood this. Let's move on to the next line. Slanting lines, we call it as in Hindi as Tirchi Rekha. Okay? Slanting line. What is that? Can you see? You have to just draw a cross like this. This is slanting lines. How? When we are drawing like this, it's slanting, right? Opposite, again, it's slanting. So, Tirchi Rekha. So, you understood this? Fine. Now, let's see the next line. That's curved line. Curved line, can you see? It's drawn in a curved way. That's Vakra Rekha. We call it as in Hindi, Vakra Rekha. Okay? So, how? Any ways you draw, that means from your left side or from your right side, in this way, it's a curved Rekha. Okay? Curved line. Like this or like this, it's a curved line. Can you see here? Yeah. So, that's Vakra Rekha. Now, let's see. It's spherical. And we call this spherical as Golakar. In Hindi, we call it as Golakar. How it is? It's just simple circle. See? This is the shape. So, these are the lines which we have learned. Children, let's see again, once again. We have learned vertical line. You can see it's a straight line towards down. Horizontal line, we call it as Padi Rekha, which is straight again in a sleeping way. Straight we are drawing it. Horizontal line. Padi or Khadi, that means both together, horizontal and vertical line looks like T. Have you seen here? I have told you already. And again now, slanting line, that is Tirchi Rekha. Tirchi Rekha is again in the cross way, that is slanting line. You can see an into mark here. So, that's a slanting, Tirchi Rekha. Now, Vakra Rekha, curved lines are in a curved way. You can see here from the left side also from the right side, both it looks in a curved way. It's a curved line. Again, golakar, spherical, it's in round shape, okay, circle. Now, let us move on to, today we will start with the swar. Swar means vowels. Today's class we will learn about two letters, a and a, okay. Now, let's see the first one. The first letter, we are learning the vowels. We say it as, what we call it as for vowels in Hindi, it's swar. You can see the page in your reader also, page 9. You can see swar, okay. Vowels means in Hindi, swar. Now, let's learn with the first letter, that's a. Can you see here how it's written? A. How we sound it? The sound when we are pronouncing this letter, it's a. Okay? Repeat with me. A. Okay? So first, for writing this, you have to make a semicircle like this. Again, from here, you have to again make a semicircle like this. It looks like 3, right? The number 3. See, till now, till here you have written, right? You just try to write it. 3 is very easy, I know. Everyone must be knowing how to write 3 number. So write like that. And now join with me. What you have to do? You have to draw a horizontal line like this, a straight, and then the vertical line like this one. You have joined these lines. Can you see? We have joined, right? And now on the top again a horizontal line like this. See? This is a. I'll again repeat. You can repeat with me how we pronounce this. A. Okay? In Hindi, the first vowel is a. Let's see the words from that. A, say, anar. How you all know it's a pomegranate. So what we say in Hindi for pomegranate? Anar. How we call it as? Again, repeat with me. It's a nar. Anar. Okay. Let's see the other fruit name, amrood. So we call it as in English Goa. So again I'll repeat, a say amrood, amrood, okay. A say anar, a say amrood. So I hope you understood this. You can practice this saying at least 5 to 10 times. A say anar, a say amrood. And you understood this also, how to write a, right? So do practice in your notebook, and for this you have to use a single line notebook and do practice it, okay? Now let's move on to the next vowel, that is a. Let's see. Look into the screen, children. It's a. How we sound it? A. Okay? So how we write this? We have already seen how to write a, right? So just write a again in this way, as I've told you, semicircle again joining from here. It looks like 3. Draw a horizontal line like this. Again, vertical line. You need for a, you need one more vertical line. Then only it will sound as a. And then draw a horizontal line again on the top of it. It looks a. Okay, so I hope you understood how to write this letter a. Okay, so as I've told you, do practice like this. One more vertical line when you're joining with it. The sound is long sound. Earlier we read, what we learned is a short sound. It's a long sound. A. Okay, let's see the words from letter a. Aloo. See, it's a potato. So how we call in Hindi potato? Aloo. Aloo. Okay. Let's see the next word. Aam. Mango. Again, a say aloo, a say aam. So I hope you got it. Again, repeat with me. A say aloo, a say aam. So I hope children you understood these two vowels. So what you need to do is today do practice this writing a and a, and the words also you can try writing it. At least try writing these letters, okay, the two letters which we have learned for today's class. And in the next class we will continue with the remaining vowels in Hindi. So today you get well versed with these two letters, okay. Slowly we will go look into and we will learn it. So it's very simple, so try practicing at home, okay, on the same day, so you will learn it and you will pick it up easily. So we'll meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.